In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can solve an inequality. Looking at the example on the left-hand side, I need to use inverse operations in order to find out the values of x. So the first thing I'm going to do is take away 5 from both sides. This gives negative 4x is greater than 24. Now from here, if I divide both sides by 4, I get negative x is greater than 6. But if I was to divide this by negative 4, I get x. And dividing the other side by negative 4, I get negative 6. The key thing to remember that whenever you are timesing or dividing both sides by a negative number, the sign of each of the coefficients or the numbers changes, but so does the inequality. So the final answer to this question is x is less than negative 6. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So the first thing I'm going to do with this question is multiply both sides by 5. Times by 5 divided by 5 will cancel, so it will give me negative x plus 2 is less than 40. Subtracting 2 from both sides would then lead to negative x is less than 38. And multiplying both sides by negative 1 will change the sign of x and of 38, and also of the inequality. So x is greater than negative 38.